Are you Alice and Natalie? I have a message for you both.
What is that? What does it say?
It says follow the map to the point marked X. There's a floor plan of the museum with a trail marked from where we are right now to a small room marked X.
What do you say? Are you ready to follow clues again? To solve a new mystery?
I don't think it's a mystery. I think I know exactly what it's about.
Well, let's go then.
Hey, where are you going? We'll be back soon. Don't get into any trouble. I might not be there to save you. Got it?
It's the man in the hat.
You can call me Bernard, that's my name. Hi, Bernard. I wondered when we'd see you again. It wasn't my intention to take you away from the party, but I wanted to congratulate you on solving the mystery, and on your new jobs.
How do you know about that?
At the Historians Club we know a lot of things. Speaking of which, it is my honor to give you these. What are they? Open the envelopes. Inside you will find 2 invitations to be members of the Historians Club.
Adam, it would be an honor.
Does that mean we can help you to solve mysteries? Exactly. We will let you know whenever we might need your help. Are you interested? Of course. I'm so pleased. Now go back to the party. Your friends are waiting for you. And remember, don't tell anyone about this. It's a secret.
Where were you both? We just got an important call a few minutes ago.
What happened? Is everything okay?
Yes, everything's fine. It's just that the Windsors want to thank you personally for recovering the Turner works.
What do you mean? Lawrence and Mariana already thanked us in person several times.
No, not those Windsors. The Windsors. The royal family. They are waiting for you at the palace.